what does CPS investigate during a home visit in the state of California? So generally speaking, they come to the home. They're looking for any signs of danger, any sign of hostility towards the child. They're also looking at your child and or children if they're at home. They're looking to see if there's any food in the fridge. They're looking if the room or house or living arrangement is dirty. They're looking at any type of potential safety concern, looking potential for drugs and weapons or anything that could pose a safety threat towards a child. But keep one thing in mind. Oftentimes social workers go out of their way to try to find something because they're already there. It seems like their objective is to try to add more allegation towards your case. That shouldn't be the case. Sometimes they add allegations that are not really allegation that poses a safety threat of towards the child's physical health and or emotional well-being. They have to make the connection or a nexus that this particular conduct, such as dirty home, causes the child to have some sort of emotional damage and or physical health. Now, dirty home can be somewhat reasonable, but if you have dishes in the sink and you haven't done the dishes, that doesn't necessarily rise to the level of dirty home or dirty dishes that can negatively impact emotional health and or physical health of the child. Now, if the dishes has been there for months and there's mold or any other type of additional chemical that can spread throughout the home and affect the child and even parents, then yeah, that could be concerning. But oftentimes, CPS would jump to any opportunity to add an allegation against you. That's why it's important to contact the California CPS defense lawyer prior to any home visits during the investigation stage. You want to know that you're properly prepared and you know how to defend your case. At Shop the Law Firm, we're here to help, but also make sure you are informed of your rights.